Sid and Kiara, any film together in the future if you want to reveal?
They feel we should do another 90s film remake, like if we would do. I think
Yeah.
that would be a love story then. What love story would we do from the 90s? That's a question that I would like to know.
Congratulations, yaar.
Thank you, man.
10
Thank
years
you.
already.
Yes, 10 years. Doesn't feel like 10 years. I think this industry doesn't let you age because we're playing other people's characters and trying to always reinvent ourselves.
Yeah.
So it doesn't feel like 10 years, man. So I'm pretty happy to be here.
Let's have a big round of applause, guys. Come on.
Thank you.
So, Sid, 10 is a special number for today. So, let's warm you up with the number 10.
Acha.
Okay?
हाँ.
You have to be very active.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Okay. हाँ.
Ready? 10 things you do when you wake up.
Check my phone, brush my teeth, have hot water. Used to meet my pet before when he was there. Poor guy. Work out after that.
10 things you like about Bollywood.
Then thing I like about Bollywood.
जितने भी याद आ रहे हैं.
Dancing around trees, Hindi film dialogues, high speed shots, बारिश के shots. I feel Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Bachchan, my first film, Student of the Year.
10 things you like about your partner.
Take a second.
बहुत गलत time है. All set?
Yes, 10 things. We're doing
10
10 ka
things.
games, but I'm only scoring 5-6.
10 things you like about your partner.
10 things I like about my partner.
Come on.
Yeah, partner. I think the fact that
जो भी
when I
देना.
have friends and partners, like companionship, the conversation, compatibility, trust, all these things.
Okay. Name 10 movies of yours. Jaldi.
Mar Java, Student of the Year, Ittifaq, Gentleman, Jabariya Jodi, Bar Bar Dekho. Now coming up, thank God, Sher Shah, Kapoor and Sons.
ये अब तक का बेस्ट आंसर
हंसी तो बस ही आंसर मेरे को पहले से पता था, मैं तैयार हो गया आया था.
Your 10 favorite Bollywood actors.
My 10 favorite Bollywood
actors.
actors: Mr. Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Naseeruddin Shah, Manoj Bajpayee, Sridevi ji. We have Madhuri Dixit. Alia has performed really well. I saw her film. Alia is doing so well. We have Mr. Salman Khan as well.
ऐसी कुछ चीज़ है Bollywood में which you haven't digested last 10 years. Like you are never used to that.
Getting clicked outside the gym. पसीने में लथपथ, पसीने वाली कपड़े, शॉर्ट्स, हैट पहनकर जब लोग फोटो खींच रहे हैं, so that I still find hard to digest.
के फैंस के थोड़े क्वेश्चंस है आपके लिए. ठीक है, हम लोगों ने पोल किया था.
अरे वाह.
Extended questions for Sid.
Super.
फैन क्लब्स के ही आपके. First question. One thing you miss about being in Delhi.
My family, Delhi roads, Delhi food, Delhi की हरियाली as such. I think it has a more slightly slower pace than Bombay, but sometimes it's nice to be in that Delhi pace.
If you get a chance to make a 90s film again, तो आप किस में कास्ट होना चाहोगे? This is the question for my fan.
अरे वाह, 90s film again.
Yeah.
Mr. Bachchan movies, it's not 90s but 89, I think, Agnipath. Which is already being made by Mr. Hrithik Roshan again. But that's the kind of zone, a character, or even how Bachchan Saab played. So that's all 70s. But I think 89, 90, Hum also is someone that he played, though he was played much older.
Yeah.
But those films I feel will be so cool to come up with today.
And you guys have that same, एक image अगर देखेंगे, like same body structure, एक थोड़ा personality है.
I mean, yeah, we have the same long legs and long arms, so that's what people say. But of course, he's a legend, and there's no way I can compare myself to him. But if you say film-wise, a character like that, a character like Vijay Dinanath Chauhan, sitting there. I mean, and obviously, no offense to what Mr. Hrithik Roshan did.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Sid and Kiara, any film together in the future if you want to reveal?
There might be. Let's see. Do people want to watch us another film? That they should tell us on the comments below.
Guys, comments में ज़रूर बताना कि कौन सी फिल्म को करनी चाहिए.
They feel we should do another 90s film remake, like if we would do. That will be interesting to know. If people think that we should do another 90s.
Like if you and Kiara do Agnipath.
If me and Kiara do. But Agnipath, I think the female role was not so powerful. I think that would be a love story. What love story would we do from the 90s? That's a question that I would like to know.
ऐसे कोई दिमाग में है आपके?
See, the classics come to my mind right now, which is, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or DDLJ. But those are very iconic and too classic, just like Agnipath. So I feel story-wise, we have, I think it's time to make newer, fresher stories. Just like remixing in songs sometimes is a bit much. Yeah. I think similarly we should not remix movies to that extent.
So Sid, what's in your store for like the next 10 years? Any plans like Hollywood? Is there
Hollywood?
Any aim?
क्या बात
Any
है?
aim?
Hollywood.
Hollywood में action?
Hollywood में action. That will be great. कोई I think यहाँ से गया नहीं वहाँ पे Bollywood से Hollywood to do action in a main lead zone.
Yeah.
अगर ऐसा कुछ हो, I think lines are getting blurred. क्या पता है Hollywood Bollywood में कुछ exchange हो जाए. But that being said, the next 10 years the plan would be to make more interesting stories like Shersha. Shersha was a film that I actually wanted to produce, but when Dharma Production जैसे कोई बड़ा studio आता है तो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
So my personal film, you know, which is
हाँ,
The Gentleman.
Really? अरे
Yeah,
वाह.
it was very cool और मैंने गेटी में देखी थी,
अच्छा.
बांद्रा में.
अरे वाह.
And I remember कि लोग वहाँ पे भरे हुए थे. They didn't expect कि ऐसे मसाला वाले dialogues या फिर
हाँ,
action.
हाँ.
थोड़ा cool tone था movie का.
Cool on that. Correct.
So that is my
Correct.
most favorite film of yours.
Correct. Yeah. Thank you, man.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you. I'm happy. Even I like that film a lot. I like the title, A Gentleman.
Yeah.
Maybe let's see उसका कभी टाइटल मिले तो पार्ट 2 बना सकते हैं.
हाँ, मेरा क्वेश्चन वही था कि थोड़ा सीक्वल के लिए हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं.
Actually, if you've seen the film, the end of the film has a great space for a sequel, and I love such characters who are cool and do action, and say those punchlines by the end of it. So you never know, man. Maybe I'll take that idea.
So sir, I saw your latest trailer, Thank God का. And मुझे genuinely as an audience, not as an anchor or a critic or something, मुझे बहुत टाइम बाद एक टाइम पास वाली मूवी देखने मिलेगी. Like go and enjoy the film. So how was that experience for your latest film? Excitement, nervous?
No, absolutely. Yeah, always a bunch of emotions, excited and nervous. Thank God is no different. Thank God आ रही है 25 अक्टूबर को, which is Diwali, जो कि दिवाली सीजन होता है यार, पूरी फैमिली के साथ आप बाहर निकलो. I call it a fam-com, which is a family comedy. Whole family can enjoy during the Diwali season.
So this is called wrong answers only.
Oh.
आपको instantly wrong answers देने हैं.
Okay.
आपकी latest film का नाम?
Thank you.
One thing you like about Bollywood?
Paps.
Okay, very smart. Your favorite film of yours? जल्दी. Least favorite. चलो, least favorite.
Okay, Jabar या Jodi.
Okay. 5+5?
5 + 1 6. Oh, sorry.
5+5.
5 + हाँ, wrong answer.
ठीक है, 6. Okay. शेरशाह में आपकी कोस्टार का नाम क्या था?
डब्बू.
She is a new actress by the way.
Yes.
Your favorite Hindi film?
Favorite Hindi film? अरे what is that?
क्या
Film where Akshay Paji and everybody was, Sonu Nigam, everybody was there.
जानी दुश्मन.
जानी दुश्मन.
I think ये थोड़ा controversial हो सकता है. Okay, complete the dialogue. ठीक है, आपका dialogue है. मांगी हुई हर चीज लौटानी पड़ती है सर, मैं डैश चाहता हूँ.
मैं कमाना चाहता हूँ.
Wrong answer.
ओह अच्छा, रॉन्ग आंसर देना है. ओह अच्छा, मुझे लगा मैं स्टूडेंट ने के डायलॉग बोला है. अच्छा, मैं चुराना चाहता हूँ.
Okay. Fill in the blanks. Dash of the year.
Jumper.
Jumper of the year. Okay.
What does that mean? Jumper. I don't know. Okay, jumper.
Last one. The best thing of today's interview for you.
Was the amazing conversation and the round games and Radio Mirchi ki ye Mirchi plus hot.
This was a taunt, guys.
No.
Thank you so much, sir.
I love the energy. Seriously, guys, thank you so much. It's been 10 years. I've been to this channel right from the beginning till now, and I feel we're all working for one big, amazing industry. If we didn't have radio channels to play our music, or you didn't have us to make movies and music, I think we would all be very dull and boring.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for keeping us entertained while majority of the country drives and listens to your channel. And I'm really happy to celebrate 10 years, man.
Thank you so much, sir, for the lovely words.